Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I will bring you through my warm-up and my stretching routine before my full body workout, or you can actually do it even in your upper body or your lower body days. You just split what I'm doing depending on which muscles you're targeting, and I thought it would help you in any way, shape or form to both prevent injury or have any ideas of what to do before a workout session, weightlifting, whatever. So yeah, I really hope it's useful. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you do like it and if you want to see more videos from me. And without further ado, let's get into the warm-up. Right, so the first thing I like to do when doing a full body warm-up is do something that gets my body shaking but without being too much of a high impact. So for example, some high knees, back kicks or star jumps are perfect. So for now we're gonna do 30 seconds of star jumps, 30 seconds of high knees and 30 seconds of back kicks.
You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny.
Then after this, when you feel like your body's starting to warm up, the heart rate is accelerating and the blood is pumping throughout, what I like to do is some dynamic stretching so that you can put your weight against the wall, a door, you can even hold on a table which is available, and you're going to transfer your weight onto one leg, and with the other one you can do two movements, or you can do both. One is swinging your leg in front of you to the best of your ability without moving too much your hips, and then you do exactly the same thing but forward and backwards. So first you do the side,
but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me?
then you go in front of you,
You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this.
now a bit of movement is fine, but what you don't want to do is just like in front like that and then like really enlarging your back, but obviously, especially if you're not a ballerina or you don't have so much stretch in your legs, it's impossible to stay completely steady. So a bit of movement actually facilitates not having, for example, a muscle pull and something like that, and just keeping that movement nice and smooth and very natural. What you can proceed to do is just stand with your feet slightly wide and then proceed to stretch your spine against, for example, a wall or again the door, whichever you have present, and just twist very, very gently. And after about 5 seconds, you do the other side, and still trying to maintain the hips more or less in front.
This dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you.
Alright, and now you can proceed to do some walks to activate your abs, your back and your shoulders. As when you're comfortable in, then you can remain in that position but always not move it too much on the side. And what you can do is starting to stretch your hamstrings. So what I like to do is put my feet forward, slightly bend them forward, touch the floor if you can, and then while exhaling out, you try to stretch the knees back. Again. And then you can stay in this position for a bit. And then on the way up, literally round your back up very naturally, very gentle. And now we can start doing a little bit of stretching of the arms, so you know, the typical lats and triceps. On the floor, and you basically put one leg across in front of the other, and then you take this leg and you pull very gently, and you can feel the hamstrings here getting very well stretched, but without it being too painful. And then you take the other side. For the quads and a bit more of hamstring, so like that. Then very gently you put your knee down, and if you have balance you can just grab it. If not, you can use the wall or get a chair or something and just take your foot, and this would really stretch here the quad of the leg that is down. Down, and swap. Bring it down gently, and then again you can hold on the wall and stretch the quad. Down, then you can unify your foot, you can go down on the floor and stretch your back and your abs. And down. Then usually from here I repeat the dynamic stretching for the legs just to make sure that they're completely warm. And then I can also do the exact same for the arms. Again, you can do some dynamic stretching by rotating your arms on the air, being mindful of your shoulders. So as soon as you're mindful when you stretch, not to overdo it, not to injure your shoulders, your hips or whatever, you just keep the movement pretty much controlled, and then you just listen where your arm can go naturally without forcing it. That will really help. Dynamic stretching is a bit different than static stretching for the simple fact that instead of putting a continuous force, a continuous pressure upon the muscle to stretch, you sort of naturally swing it, naturally give the muscle a stretch that is only your body weight and the gravity rather than just pushing it, but combine it with a little bit of movement at the beginning, some star jumps, some high knees, back kicks and all of that. That really helps, you know, your breath get a little bit heavier, the blood to pump around in your body, and then do some stretching really helps prepare the muscle before you do any weightlifting or Pilates or yoga, whatever. It just helps prepare the muscle activated. Then obviously if you have just a lower body session, you can just focus on stretching the lower body, upper body do the upper body, or if you have a full body workout, then you can do exactly what I just did now. So I really hope you like this video. I really hope you find it useful. I know it's very quick, it's very easy, but this is literally what I do before any session. So I really hope you liked it. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you did, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!